Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is Sunday, December 26th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 1st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. And also guys, I want to mention that I will have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys want to take a look at that or maybe even print it off and take it to the store with you if you plan on doing some of these deals. So let's go ahead and get started. So in this transaction, I did use a digital booster, get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $30. I had one issue with this transaction, and that issue was one of my registry rewards did not print for me. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Crest. So I have the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste right here. And then I also have this Crest Pro Health Intense mouthwash. Both of these products are priced at Walgreens for $4. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $4 each, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a $2 off of one digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Crest toothpaste. And then we have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Crest mouthwash. So that's a total of $3 in digital coupons that I used. So $8 minus the $3 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $5. And then when you buy two, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. That will bring your total down to just $1 for both, or it'll make each one 50 cents. Now that is the issue that I had, you guys. My $4 registry reward did not print for the Crest products. There is nothing wrong with the Catalina machine because both of these registry rewards printed out for me. So I did go ahead and submit a form, a Catalina form online, and I should receive my registry reward in the mail. I had to do that on last week's deal, and I did receive my registry rewards already. So just a heads up on that, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you do the Crest or Oral-B deal. Let me know if your $4 registry reward prints out for you. And I think it's a registry reward. I don't know if it's a registry reward or a store coupon. Let me know that as well down in the comment section. And I also did this deal twice because I also did an online order, and then I did not receive the $4 registry reward for that one either. So let me know in the comment section how that works out for you. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed two of the Gillette foam shave gels, and these are buy one get one 50% off. One will rank up at $2.99. Your second one will rank up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So your total is going to be $4.48 for both. You will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash. That's going to bring your total down to just 48 cents for both, or it's going to make each one just 24 cents. And then I went ahead and I grabbed two of these Colgate Optic White toothpaste. These are priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $2 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase two at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have two different Colgate digital coupons on the Walgreens app, and each coupon is for $2. So a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $5.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that's going to bring your total down to just $1.98. And then you will receive back a $2 registry reward. I did receive my $2 registry reward right here. And with receiving this registry reward, it makes both of those toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then back there, I have some Tide Simply Pods, and then I have two of the Downy fabric softeners. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.29. The deal is when you buy three, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to go ahead and purchase three at $3.29. That's going to bring your total to $9.87. We have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Simply, a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Downy, and then I went to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off a 50-cent paper coupon for the second bottle of Downy. So if you would like to stock up, you can go to the PG Good Everyday website to print off a 50-cent coupon. So that's a total of $1.50 that I used in coupons. So $9.87 minus the $1.50 in coupons, that brought my total down to $8.37. And then when you buy 3, you will receive a $3 registry reward. I did receive my $3 registry reward right here. So $8.37 minus this $3 registry reward, that brought my total down to just $5.37 for all 3 items, or it makes each item just $1.79. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed this soft soap body wash, and then I grabbed 2 of the Irish Spring body washes. Now, there is a glitch going around with this deal. Unfortunately for me, it did not happen with me, and I went to the store around, I want to say 11 o'clock a.m. my time. And so the deal is when you buy 3 of these, you will receive back $10 instead of receiving the $5. So it's something about you have to have a coupon clip to your account. I looked on GME Coupons page, her Instagram page, and I found out the information there. So right now I am waiting to do another online order to see if it will work for me. Something is up with the Walgreens app right now. It is not letting me add anything to my cart. So I am going to do that deal, and then I will probably update you guys in my community post to let y'all know if it worked for me or not. But the deal with the Irish Spring and the soft soap is that when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to buy 3, and they are 3 for $10. So 3 of them are going to cost you $10. We have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Irish Spring, a $2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the soft soap. And then if you go to the Irish Spring website, you can print off a 75-cent printable coupon. So in coupons, I used a total of $4.75. So $10 minus the $4.75 in coupons, that brought my total down to $5.25. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. I did receive that back. So $5.25 minus the $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought the total down to just 25 cents for all 3 bottles. Now, some people are able to get $10 back. And again, as I said, if you go to GME Coupons on Instagram, there is a coupon that she says you have to have clipped to your account in order to get the extra $5. So I am going to try that. But if you aren't able to get that extra $5 and you print off that 75-cent and pair it with the 2 digitals, you will pay just 25 cents for all 3 bottles, which at the end of the day is still a super great price. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipt really quick. So there are both of my 2 Gillette foam shave gels, one at $2.99, the second one half off at $1.49. Both of my Colgate toothpaste at $2.99, so $5.98. Both of my Irish Spring and soft soap rung up at 3 for $10. Both of my Downy at $3.29, so $6.58. My Tide Simply at $3.29. My Crest mouthwash and toothpaste, each of those items at $4. And then on this transaction, I did use a $5 store coupon that I had gotten from a previous deal that I had done. My 75-cent Irish Spring coupon came off, the 50-cent Downy paper, $2 digital for Irish Spring, $2 digital for soft soap, $2 Colgate, $2 Crest, another $2 Colgate, $1 Crest, my 50-cent digital for the Tide Pods, and 50-cent digital for the Downy. So it brought my overall subtotal to $20.08, but of course I have to include that $5 store coupon because I got that from another deal. So total, my subtotal is $25.08. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And then ignore my receipt, you guys. I don't know what happened. When you look down here, I earned back $16.21. So again, my subtotal came out to be $25.08. I earned back $16.21. Of that $16.21, $5 came from the soft soap deal, $4 came from the Gillette deal, and then $6 came from the digital booster that I used to get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $30. And then the extra Walgreens cash that I got came back from the Walgreens everyday points. Then I got back my $3 registry reward for the Tide and the Downy, $2 registry reward for Colgate. And although I did not receive my $4 registry reward for the Crest, like I said, I did go ahead and submit my Catalina form. So I do know that I'm going to receive that registry reward. So I'm going to go ahead and include that $4 in this deal. So again, my subtotal came out to be $25.08. I got back $16.21. That brought my total down to $8.87, plus my $3 registry reward for the Tide and Downy, $2 registry reward for Colgate, $4 registry reward for Crest. That's a total of $9. So $8.87 minus the $9 that I got back in registry rewards. You guys, that made this transaction completely free, plus a 13-cent moneymaker. So this was a really, really good deal. I am happy with this transaction. Although I didn't get my $4 registry reward, it is okay. I know that I'm going to get it in the mail. So that's going to be it for this transaction, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you all are getting this week at Walgreens. Again, don't forget to check into the soft soap deal. And it's not just with the soft soap, you guys. It's as long as you have that coupon clipped to your account, you can purchase anything, and I think you will get the $5 back. But don't quote me on that, though, because I have not tried it for myself. I am just going off of what I've been seeing around the internet. So again, you guys, that's going to be it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.